Hello, hello, hello. Today is, what is today? It is Monday, October the 13th. My name is Danita. I am the owner, designer, and creator of Undo Karma on Etsy and Cut My Canvas on Facebook and Undo Karma on YouTube. I've been doing plastic canvas most of my life, so let's just say about 40 years. And I've been working on this haunted dollhouse for quite some time now. And I thought I would show how I'm adding the little faces to the pumpkins. So let's begin. I am using this very fine, it is actually a yarn. And I don't have the name, but I will search for the name and the brand and post a link to it in the comments or in the description below. I like using it for fine little details, such as this. So let's begin. Every face is stitched the exact same, but yet no two look alike. That's what makes these so cute. Like this one here, he has a black eye. I'm not sure what happened to him. If you have not seen any of my previous videos for this haunted dollhouse, this is an interior wall of the haunted dollhouse, and I cut the windows out for mine. The pattern does not have the windows cut out, so if you were doing the haunted dollhouse, I don't want that to cause you any confusion. This is an interior wall with the window, and the pattern, it is not cut out. It is just stitched with a little curtain in the window. And I decided to do all my interior walls this lovely purple with these orange pumpkins. I am planning on doing the inside bathroom wall a different color. Yeah. I'm not too worried about how the back of this is going to look because the walls, both sides of the walls are stitched together, so the back will not be seen. So the backs of mine are very messy, and that is okay. Nobody will know except for whoever just heard me say that. Have you made this haunted dollhouse, or will you be attempting to make this dollhouse? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. This is a vintage pattern again. I do offer the pre-cut shapes if you'd like to do this haunted dollhouse and you just don't know how or are unable to cut out all the shapes. You can visit my Etsy shop. I will put a link in the description above. This one has something wrong with his eyeball. Looks like we got a little knot going back here that caused some issues with the eye. There is always something going on. I'm going to do this on the back. See this little, it looks like some of the thread did not get pulled all the way through. So I'm trying. It's hard because the needle keeps wanting to grab the orange yarn. There we go, I got it. He still has a little eye issue. Then my yarn. The needle I'm using for this thread is a little too big, so it keeps wanting to slide out of the eye. But that's okay. I can handle it. Another one with his eyes closed. Let's see if I can make the other eye closed. Probably not. Almost. Alright, almost have these done. I am really wanting to get this haunted dollhouse finished so I could start my gingerbread Christmas village. a lot of little pumpkins inside this vintage dollhouse. This vintage haunted dollhouse, I should say. Oops, see that? They just come off of there. Whoa! Sometimes it just yanks it right out of my hand. Does this ever happen to you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Please forgive my rooster. That is Mr. P. He is outside. Obviously not in the house. He is our big sweet rooster. He takes very good care of his hens. He's been awfully crowy today. I'm not sure why. The weather's just starting to cool off just a little bit here in Central Florida. So that might be why. It also has the cat Frisky. When the weather gets cold, the animals get frisky. Here in Florida, it's not really cold, it's just a little less hot. Let me know where you're from in the comments below. How long have you been doing plastic canvas? I'm doing my best to help keep this wonderful craft alive. Excuse me. Also, just so you know, this video is not edited in any way, shape, or form. I don't have a video editing program. I don't know how to edit a video, and I don't even have the time, to be honest with you, to sit and spend hours editing a video. I have too many orders to cut and projects to stitch that I'd rather be doing instead of editing a video. So excuse me for that. I think a hairball went down there. All right, and there we have it. One more interior wall is complete for the haunted dollhouse. Stay tuned for more to come.